Okay guys, I got a question from many of you asking me, I never made money with affiliate marketing. Can you please show a step-by-step beginner-friendly method to start finally making money? So in today's video, I'm going to show you a Clickbank affiliate marketing method that is beginner-friendly. And it is 100% free. Only thing that you need to invest is time and work. And that's it. So first thing we need to do, we need to create an ebook. Now for that, we will come here on ChatGPT and we will give it a prompt like this. Give me topic for my ebook that is trending but it is not oversaturated, and then simply press enter. And now ChatGPT will give me these topics. Okay, here you can see ChatGPT gave me some ideas for my ebook. Here you can see, okay, AI tools for everyday users. This looks interesting. Micro niche sustainable living. This also looks interesting. Home improvement, interactive or multimedia ebook. So let's say, for example, micro niche sustainable living. So let's say, for example, I wish to use this, but I need more data. So I can say something like this, okay? Give me more details about micro niche sustainable living, and then press enter. And now ChatGPT will give me more data. Okay, and here you can see ChatGPT gave me more data about this topic. So here you can see there are some interesting topics. Zero waste kitchen made easy. This looks interesting. Urban gardening, eco-friendly home hacks, minimalistic sustainable travel, DIY eco crafts. So let's say, for example, this looks interesting. So what I need to do, I actually need to check out this. I can't just write an ebook on any topic. I need to do a research. So I need to copy this keyword here, okay? And I need to go on Google Keyword Planner. And then I need to click here on Discover New Keywords, and I need to paste that here, okay? And then click here, Get Results. And here I can see between 101,000 people is searching this every month in United States. Now that is very low. We need more searches. We need a bigger search volume. So I need to find another topic. So I'll go back here on ChatGPT, urban gardening for the beginners, eco-friendly home hacks, minimalistic sustainable travel, green parenting, sustainable fitness and wellness, ebook ideas. So I need to find something else, okay? Okay, here you can see eco-friendly home hacks. And here you can see how to reduce energy bills. Now everybody needs to reduce their energy bills. Energy is way too expensive these days. So I need to copy this keyword, and again I will go back here on Google Keyword Planner and I will delete this and I will add my new keyword. Click here on Get Results, and here you can see between 1,000 and 10,000 searches per month in United States. Globally, I'm guessing about 50,000 people is searching this keyword every month. Now ideally, you wish to find a keyword with more than 100,000 searches per month globally. But for the purpose of this video, we will use this keyword. But I can't just write ebook yet. I need to do a bit more research, because why do I need an ebook if I cannot find any good affiliate product to promote with that ebook? So I will go here on Clickbank Affiliate Marketplace, and in this case I will click on green products. And here I can see there are green products here. So let me sort this by gravity, okay? Gravity, high to low, to see what kind of products you can find. Okay, here you can see Energy Revolution System. Now that is exactly what is the topic of our ebook. And here you can see gravity is 25, which means at least 25 people sold this product here in past 30 days, which means people are actually buying this product. I can make money. On average, I can make $43 per sale. They don't have upsells. That is the problem. I usually promote products with upsells, but this product is good. So what I need to do? Now I need to write an ebook. So I will go back here on ChatGPT and I will give it a new prompt. And I will say something like this. Can you write me an ebook about how to reduce energy bills with step-by-step instructions? And then press enter. Now if you're using free version of ChatGPT, then ChatGPT will give you a short ebook. Now what you can do is you can go here on DeepSeek and you can give it the same prompt, and DeepSeek will write you a longer ebook, okay? Another thing that you can do is you can go here on YouTube and you can search your main keyword and then press enter, and then what you need to do, you need to click here on filters and then click here on view count, because we wish to find most viral videos. Now here you can see, okay, this is not the best video. So let's say, for example, this video here, 2.6 million views 2 years ago. So I need to click on this video and let me pause this, okay? Click here on more and then click here on show transcript, okay? And now YouTube will show you transcript. So what you need to do, you simply need to copy this transcript here, okay? This entire transcript. So let me just copy this entire text, Control C, go back here on ChatGPT, and then simply paste that here, and then tell ChatGPT to rewrite this transcript into an ebook. And ChatGPT will do exactly that. It will rewrite this entire transcript into an ebook, okay? But I will leave it as it is, okay? So what I need to do next, I need to click here on this plus, and then I need to click here on create image. And now I will say, make me a cover image for this ebook, and then press enter. And now ChatGPT will create a cover image for this ebook. So next thing we need to do, we actually need to make this ebook. Now for that, we are going to use Canva. Simply come here on Canva. You can use a free version of Canva. Click here on templates, and then here you need to search ebook. Okay, ebook template, okay? And then here you need to find environment. So let me just go here on filters, okay? And let me just scroll here on topics, okay? Click here on view more topics, and let me just find environment. Okay, here you can see environment, okay? Click here on apply, and here you can see these are ebook templates in environment topics, okay? And I can choose any of these templates. So let's say, for example, I will choose this template here. Just need to click on it, click here on customize this template, okay? And now I need to go back here on ChatGPT, and here you can see they created a similar style cover for my ebook, okay? So I need to click here, and I need to click here on download, and I will download this ebook cover to my desktop. I need to go back here on Canva, and I need to click here on uploads, and then click here on upload file, and I need to upload that ebook cover that I created in ChatGPT. Here you can see it is uploading that ebook cover, okay? Okay, it uploaded. And now I need to go back here on uploads, and I need to drag this here, okay? And I need to make this to be my cover, okay? Something like this, okay? And this is my ebook cover, okay? And I need to delete all of this because I don't need this in reality. So this is my ebook cover. Here you can see how this looks. So here I need to add a table of content. I can simply go back here and I can tell ChatGPT to give me a table of content for this ebook. Okay, and then press enter. And now ChatGPT will give me a table of content for this ebook. As you can see, it is creating. So I simply need to copy this, okay? Just give it a few seconds to finish everything. And I need to Control C, go back here on ChatGPT, on Canva, click here on text, and I will choose one of these text styles. So let me find the best one in my opinion. So let me just go through this. Okay, let's say for example, I wish to use this one here. I will click on it and I'm going to delete this, okay, because I don't need it. And then here I will paste my table of content and I will do something like this. And I will actually make this smaller so I can actually highlight this entire text. Okay, and I'm going to make this to be, let's say, for example, 16. Okay, and I need to also to make this 16 as well. And I will do this, and I will make this larger, like this. Okay. You need to do a bit of work with this. So let me just increase the size so you can see how this looks. And this is how my table of content look. So I will actually do this as well. Okay. I will increase spacing. Okay. click here, and let's say I will do something like this. Okay, and okay, it is too much, so I need to make it smaller. Okay, okay, let's say I will just move it here. Okay, and here you can see it is better now. Now you can actually read this. So now I need to make my ebook. So I can simply go back here on ChatGPT, I can scroll here, and I can simply start copying and pasting these chapters one by one. Here you can see chapter 1, simply copy this chapter, Ctrl C, go back here on Canva, click here on add page, and then click here again, and I will delete this, and I will simply add my text. I will actually make this much smaller. And this is my text, and I need to make this larger, something like this. Okay, and I'm going to move that here, and I will actually make space. And this is how it looks. And you need to add some graphics in the background to make this ebook even more eye-catchy, okay? But you're probably wondering right now, well, how do I actually make money with affiliate marketing, with Clickbank affiliate marketing, right? So what you need to do, here on the bottom of the page, you need to add a call to action. But first, you need to go here on Clickbank, and you need to click here to view affiliate page, for example. And here you can see how this looks. Quite often here you can see they are giving you ebook covers, images, and different kind of materials for their affiliates, okay? Affiliate terms and stuff like that. So you need to add your keyword, your call to action. So I will go back here, and I'm going to click here, and I'm going to actually move this here. I'm going to delete this because I don't need that. I'm going to make this smaller and move it here, and I'm going to paste my call to action. I can say something like this, okay? I will make this even smaller, okay? And I'm going to move that here, okay? And I need to actually, and here you can see how this looks. So what I need to do, I need to left click here, and then right click here, and then click here, link. And now I can add a link, okay? I can add a link, so I need to go back here on Clickbank, and I need to click here, get affiliate link. And then I simply need to go back here, and I need to paste that link here, click here on done, and that's it. I added my affiliate link, okay? And you need to write all of these pages and all of these instructions, each of these chapters, you need to add them in your ebook. And you need to add your call to action on bottom of every of those page. After you finish, just click here on share, and then click here on download, and then choose here PDF standard, and then click here on download again, and you will download this to your desktop. So now what you need to do, you actually need to upload this ebook somewhere. You need to upload this ebook. Here you can see how this looks, okay? And when I click here on here, it will take me, as you can see, this is the product that I'm actually promoting, okay? So you need to upload this ebook on Scribd. Scribd is 100% free. And when you come here on SEMrush, you will see that last month, actually in July 2025, Scribd got 208 million visits. So this is a huge free traffic source that you can use for Clickbank affiliate marketing. And you need to go here, simply click here on upload, and you need to upload that file. Select the document to upload. Let me find the document. So this is the document, okay? And here, I need to give it a title. So I will go back here on ChatGPT, and I will use this title here, okay? So let me just go back here. I will simply copy this, go back here on Scribd. I'm not a robot. And I'm going to paste that here. And here I need to give it a short description. Short description should contain your main keyword. I will simply copy this, go back here, and I will paste that here, okay? Okay, and this is it. And all I have to do now is just click here on submit, and that's it. I will submit this document, this ebook, to Scribd. But you shouldn't upload this document, this ebook, just on Scribd. You need to upload this PDF document, this ebook, on other file sharing websites like SlideShare, PDF Coffee, and other document sharing websites to get even more traffic. Also, what you can do is you can go on Facebook and search for groups in your niche, and then you can simply follow the comments, follow the questions that people are asking, and then you can simply answer on their question if your ebook already answered on that question, and link back to your Scribd document. And because you uploaded that ebook on Scribd, then you have trust, then you automatically have a trust. You will not be marked as spammer because you're not promoting your own ebook. You just find some ebook on Scribd, okay? And you can also do same thing on Twitter, on Reddit, on related forums to drive as much traffic as you can to that Scribd document, to that ebook that you uploaded on Scribd, okay? And also in that way you will create backlinks, and that will help your ebook, if you optimize title and the description, to rank high for that keyword on Google search results. And in that way you will get even more free traffic to that ebook, and that means you will start getting clicks on your affiliate link and you will start making money. Now, like I said in the beginning, this method requires time and it requires work, but you will start making money with Clickbank affiliate marketing. That's it for today, guys. If you wish to see more ways to make money online, make sure to subscribe to my channel, and also don't forget to like this video. And also on your right side you can see more videos that you can watch on YouTube that may help you to make money online.